Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, I'm going to take you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to set up a secure and private VPN connection using the NPV TunnelVPN app paired with an SSH Stunnel server from UDP Custom. This setup is perfect if you want to protect your online activities with strong encryption and ensure your browsing remains private and secure. Whether you're new to VPNs or just want to enhance your connection, this guide will help you every step of the way. So let's dive in. Step 1. Installing NPV TunnelVPN. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for NPV TunnelVPN and install the official application. This app will be your VPN client, handling all the encrypted traffic between your device and the internet. Step 2. Creating your SSH Stunnel server. To create a secure tunnel, you first need an SSH Stunnel server. Open your preferred mobile browser and search for UDP Custom, which is a trusted provider of free server configurations. Once you're on the UDP Custom website, tap the menu icon usually found in the top right corner. From the menu, select SS Servers and then choose SSH Stunnel server. This type of server uses SSL/TLS encryption, which wraps your internet traffic in a secure layer, protecting your data from prying eyes. Here, you'll need to create an account by choosing a username and a strong password. Don't forget to complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a bot. Then tap Create Server. Within seconds, your SSH Stunnel server will be ready, complete with its IP address, port number, and login details. Copy these server details carefully. You can also save them in your phone's Notes app to access them easily during setup. Step 3. Configuring your VPN in NPV TunnelVPN. Now open the NPV TunnelVPN app you installed earlier. At the bottom of the home screen, tap the globe icon to access the configuration section. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new VPN profile manually. Select SSH config as the protocol for your connection, because this setting will let you use the SSH Stunnel server you just created. You'll see fields to enter your server's IP address, port number, username, and password. Fill in each detail exactly as they appeared on the UDP Custom website. For added security and compatibility, you can optionally enter a server name indication or SNI. The SNI acts like a host name that some networks use to verify the SSL certificate. It helps make your VPN connection more stable and less likely to be blocked. If you want extra privacy, there's also an option to add a proxy server. This can help mask your connection further, but isn't required for most users. Before saving, scroll down to the Remarks field. Here, give your connection a name you'll recognize, like My SSL Secure Connection. Tap Save to store the new configuration. Step 4. Establishing a secure VPN connection. Go back to the configuration list and select the VPN profile you just created. Return to the main screen of the app. Tap the Connect button. It may take a few seconds to establish the connection. Once the status changes to Connected, congratulations! Your internet traffic is now securely routed through an encrypted SSL/TLS tunnel. Troubleshooting tips. If you notice your connection is slow or unstable, it's often because of server load. You can create a new SSH Stunnel server on the UDP Custom website and try connecting with different SNI values to find what works best for your network. Also, always ensure your internet connection is stable before testing the VPN performance. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a powerful SSL/TLS encrypted VPN using NPV TunnelVPN and a free SSH Stunnel server from UDP Custom. This setup significantly improves your online privacy by encrypting your data and hiding your online activities from third parties, like potential attackers. I hope this detailed guide helps you understand and configure your VPN easily. If you have any questions or run into trouble, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks so much for watching and stay safe online.